Good day, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you for opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Madeline Rendon, 39 years old from Philippines. I am high school graduate, single mother of 4 kids, 2 girls and 2 boys. Ages are 21, 19, 17, and 11 years old. I have work experience in Kuwait, Hong Kong, and here in Philippines for 2 years. I serve one couple and 3 kids, one boy and 2 girls. My duties are clean the house, washing, laundry, ironing, gardening, marketing, and cooking. After finish my work, I take care of the kids and play with them. I am a friendly, loving, respectful, hardworking, and honest person. Mom and Sir, give me a chance to work in your family. I promise I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you.